Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you why it's important to grease that grease fitting on your U-joints, on drive shaft or steering shaft or anything. So we can look right down in there. See that gap right in there on the bearing housing? Right there in the U-joint? Well, especially right there. When this dry shed, see if I can get it to hold still here and shake it. There you go. And that's what happens right there. See how that wobble? Good at a good angle there so y'all can see. But yeah, unfortunately this shadow, no matter which way I really try to go here. But yeah, that bearing's bad. See, it's worn out. And this whole dry shaft, there it goes. See if y'all can notice that. Yeah, this sucker's bad. And that's what happens when you don't grease a ball joint. But man, we got it out here. We're going to go ahead and do them both. That may or may not be different. We'll find out. And then we'll go in the morning and we'll get them ordered from the dealer and we'll get the new ones installed. Alright, hopefully y'all found this video useful on showing you the importance of why you need to grease a ball joint. If you don't grease a ball joint, it's going to wear out and then potentially break. They cause your dry shaft to either go through the cab of the truck, go through the floor of the bed, or dig it in the concrete and rip out your rear end and transfer case if it's four-wheel drive, transmission, the tail end of the transmission. You know, it depends on the scenario and what the vehicle is, whether it's four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, you know, all those things. But either way, if you don't, you could have catastrophic failure and potentially kill someone and kill yourself because your vehicle will crash. So yeah, make sure you grease your ball joints. You get an oil change, have them say, hey, can you grease all my fittings, please? Under the vehicle, on the suspension and drivetrain. So yeah, y'all hit that thumbs up button. Make sure if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down in the corner. Y'all have a great day.